Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page of Saturday, November the 2nd, 2024. We have here six puzzles in this puzzle page. The two stars Sudoku, four star Sudoku, killer Sudoku. We have two binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. 4 puzzles, 6 puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all, otherwise it's too much for me. We have tomorrow also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Also, 4 of them I will solve in afternoon, and in the evening I will solve the Samurai Sudoku. This will take me more than an hour to solve. Alright, this one will be number 9521. The 4 star Sudoku I will start. 9521. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 25. 25. Well. Usually the 4 star Sudoku has 24. This one has 25. Should be a 3 stars puzzle. A 3 stars puzzle. I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. But the publisher has indicated it with the 4 stars puzzle. I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Question is this a 4 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about need an 8 there. I need a 5 here. Interesting. 1, 2, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 7 in this big square. Shoot there. 7. How about here? 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9, okay. 9. Then, need an 8 here, need an 8 there. How about the 2? Yeah. Come on. 2. Oh, 9. Yeah. 9. 4. This one I need to think hard. Need a 3 here. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. Wait. 4. 8. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need a 1 here. Yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Need 8. 5 here. Come on. 7 here. 5 here. Yeah. 3, 1. Well, need a 1 here, need a 1 there. Well, complicated. 1, 3. 8. Well, we need an 8 here. In this big square, we need an 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need an 8. We have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So in this row, we need an 8. Here can be an 8, we have 8. This column, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8. This column, no 8 there. So the 8 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Okay. I need a 2 here also. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places left with 2. Could be here, here, or there. We see another 2 in this column, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, okay. Need a 3, need a 1. I'm going to have the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the last column. No 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 8 as a pair. Well, the other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6. That means the other 3 numbers should be the 1, 2 is missing. Well, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 3. Could be a 3 here also. And I need a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8, a 9. 9 could be here and there. Okay, that's not the solution. So we have a 6 here, 4, 5, 6. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so third row. The only 2 places left 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left 2 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left 4 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. The 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 then. 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left with 4 could be here, could be there. Well, here can be a 4 because we have a 4 in one of these 3 boxes in this column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here then. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left 4 should be here or there. Here can be 4 because we have a 4 in one of these 3 boxes in the last column. So the only place left 4 should be here then. Then here could be, this could be a 4, okay. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. 6, 6. I need a 9 here. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, and 8, 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. And look, we have 6 and a 9 in this big square, so no 6 and 9 in this box. 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 digit left should be the 3. The other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 8 could be everywhere. 4, 8, 4, 5, 8. So we have a 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 3 boxes in the second row. So third row, first row, the only 2 places left with 8. Could be here, could be there. Here, I need a 7 in this big square. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, second row. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places level 3 goes together with the 8 as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. These 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6. 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Another pair in this big square. Other numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. Okay. Then, let me see. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so last row. Only 3 places left on the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the third column, no 9 there. The only place left on the 9 should be here. Then. Let me think. Mark those 2 boxes early with 8. We have 8 now in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3, the 6, 3, the 6. We have 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 and 5 should be here. How about here? 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here, and the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left now in this middle column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. 1 and a 2. Here also 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. We have a 3 here, and we have a 3 there. That means in this row, the 3 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Well, we have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 in the second column, no 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there. Okay, now. How about the 7? 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the second column, in the first column, and only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above on that row. The only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 in the 6, 5 in the 6. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 5 in the last row. 5 in a row above on that row. The only 2 places left. The 5 could be here, could be there. But here then. 1, 2. Can it be 2? 2 should be here. Well. 9, 7. 8. Need 8 here also. No 8 here. 8 could be there. Need a 2 here. Yeah, I'm thinking. Can me one, well, we need a 1 in this column. Here can be a 1 because we have 1 in the second row. No 1 there. Here can be 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. So the 1 in this column could be here or there. Here we have a 1. Here we have a 1. That means in this row the 1 should be here then. So 1 box left in this column for number 6. 6 need a 6. Yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so no row between. The only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left, 6 should be there. So the 2 and the 8 are left here. Alright. 2 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 now in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 should be here. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 2 and 8, we have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. For number 1, 2 is missing. 3 and a 2, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5 and a 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the last 2 numbers, 4 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Well. Let me give this a 2 stars here, because it's not the 4, not the 3. Should be at 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it all solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.